Hello and welcome to Makula. Today we're looking at how you can, and then the child asset gets assigned to an already created parent asset. Adding a product model, which you will set up in your products over here, adding a product model links an asset to a product. And what it then does is it inherits the entire configuration of the product. Upload settings, these are usually unchecked, but if you want to overwrite existing information that was missing, then you would overwrite that missing data with let's go next. Type field in Macula. It actually maps to the serial number. I have an address custom field, my description. Once I'm done, all I do is confirm. And now, if there are any errors in my sheet or in this entire mapping, values that are repeating, there are required fields